Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me, for you. Today, let me introduce you the Novoo USB C9M1 Aluminium Multi-Port Hub. That's awesome. This is the Novoo USB C9M1 Aluminium Multi-Port Hub, and it's for so a big bunch of products, like your personal computer, your laptop, your notebook, your iPad, for example. I am going to use it on iPad for you now here, and I will continue using that because now I can transfer my GoPro videos using a MicroSD card and this universal hub. That's so awesome. It's really awesome. It's an USB Type-C adapter docking with 4K 30Hz, HDMI, VGA, and USB, SD, card readers, and Ethernet, USB-C, charging port with USB 2, data transport for 2016 up to 2020 MacBook Pro, for Huawei MateBook, for Surface Book, for Samsung S8, Huawei Mate, and more. USB-C laptops for computers and smartphones. And iPad, as you can see. Oh yeah. We have, what is an USB hub? An USB hub is a device that expands a single universal serial bus, in this case it's USB-C, port into several so that they are more ports available to connect devices to a host system. Similar to a power strip, all devices connect through a USB hub, share the bandwidth available to that hub itself. And this is so nice because you can make so much with it, so much joy, so much fun, so much high-tech. HDMI port enables our mirror or extended display mode for our laptop on our television, for example. In this case, I'm going to use to show you that using an iPad, as you can see, and it works really nice with it. Of course, the computer is working as well too, no prob. It projects up to 4K resolution. Down rates is compatible, of course. The high definition multimedia interface is a proprietary audio and video interface for transmitting uncompressed video data and compressed or uncompressed digital audio data from an HDMI compliant source device, such as a display controller, to a compatible computer monitor, video projector, digital television, or digital audio device. HDMI is a digital replacement for analog video standards. And here we can use it. Awesome. And for all devices out there, on this hub, there's a VGA connector too. Ooh, and VGA port enables us to mirror or extend the display of our laptops or televisions, monitor or projectors up to 1920 to 1080 60 Hz resolution. Downward is compatible too, of course. The good old VGA connector, that's an old thing. It's designed in the 1987, really awesome. The video graphic array connector is a standard connector used for computer video output. Originating with the 1987 IBM PS2, it's not the PlayStation, and its VGA graphics system, the 15-pin connector went on to become ubiquitous on personal computers, as well as many monitors, projectors, and high-definition television sets. Other connectors have been used to carry VGA-compatible signals, such as a mini VGR or BNC, but the VGA connector typically refers to this design. It's an old standard which is not on the brand new laptops or computers out there anymore. But if you are need it because you have a VGA connector on your television, for example, or on your monitor, or where TFT screen as well. You can dock it here. Oh, that's awesome. So here we are, USB. USB-C port. It supports 100 watt up to 20 voltage, 5 ampere. That's power charging our device by our own power delivery adapter, compatible with USB 2 data and Type-C digital audio. And there is more. There are 3 times of USB 3.0 ports, supports 5 gigabit per second transmission or speech each port, downward compatible with USB 2.2, of course, because USB is really awesome. It's the multifunction thing on nearly all devices out there. The Universal Serial Bus USB is an industry standard that established specifications for cables and connectors and protocols for connection, communications, and power supply interfacing between computers, peripherals, and other computers. Broad variety of USB hardware exists, included 11 different connectors, or which USB-C is the most recent right now. And on this USB hub, here is USB-C, USB 3.0, and USB-C is available too. That means you have all standards which are up to date on this device here, running with that awesome system. That's really awesome. It is a multi-power thing, but not all. There is more which you can use. The Ethernet. Access to stable wired internet connection speeds up to 1000 Mbits per second. Downward is compatible too. Ethernet is a family of wired computer networking technologies commonly used in local area networks, metropolitan area networks, and wide area networks. It was commercially introduced in 1980, and it first standardized in 1983. That's an odd thing, but we are still using it. It's really awesome because we are going to use it with a patch cable. If the patch cable or the patch wire is connected here, you can join the internet power with that Ethernet cable and Ethernet connection. And there's more because it's 9-in-1 device. Oh yeah, SD and TF card reader. It supports 104 M/S transmission speed. Simultaneously used with SD and TF card port is available. That means you have 2 ports, one for microSD card and one for the standard SD card. The secure digital of the abbreviated SSD is a proprietary non-volatile memory card, formerly developed by SD Association for use in portable devices. The standard was introduced in August 1999 by joint efforts between Scandis and Panasonic and Toshiba as an improvement over multimedia cards, and has become the industry standard. The 3 companions formed SD3C LLC, a company that licenses and enforces intellectual property rights associated with the SD memory card and SD host and ancillary products. And for example, my videos, the most of them are made with the GoPro 9 and 6 Black, and it's not so nice to bring that on an iOS device. Now with that USB port, it will be nicer than before, because I can dock here 2 SD cards, one with adapter and one microSD card on it. Then I will dock it to my iPad, and then I can transfer it into my cloud. That's an awesome solution for it. This is the really nice Novoo, USB-C 9-in-1 aluminum multi-port hub. And it's durable and it works really, really good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon. Oh yeah.